Hello everyone, how's it going? This is your man TJ Singh right here. So guys, in this video I will be doing the quick unboxing of the Xiaomi's 10,000 mAh power bank, and I will be also doing the comparison of this power bank with this old first generation 20,000 mAh power bank. So without any further ado guys, let me do the quick unboxing first, and then we will be moving on to the comparison it with the older power bank, the first generation one. So this is how the packaging experience is, and I'm doing the unboxing right now. So this is what you are going to find inside of the box, nothing else. So this is the power bank's actual box, and as you can see, this is the power bank 2i, the second generation model, and it also comes with a 18-watt fast charging, and this is having the capacity of 10,000 mAh power. And as you can see, this one is having the aluminum casing. It is also using the lithium polymer batteries, and it has advanced 9-layer protection. And this is the back showing you guys the technical specifications, manufactured by, and all these things. If you want to go and you can just pause it and read. So let me just quickly do the quick take out of this power bank out of this box. So the color that I have opted is blue, which is on the box as well. So the packaging has improved a lot than the first generation, and we have the first of all the power bank itself. I'll be just keeping it aside for a moment, and the second and the last thing that you will be finding inside is the charging cable. So as you can see, this is the charging cable. Okay guys, so we have one more leaflet inside of the box which I forget to take out. So this is the box right here, and it shows you the precautions that you need to take care. So make sure your power bank is fully charged on its first use. When charging a device with the Mi power bank, make sure your device displays the battery charging icon and Mi power bank is working properly, and all these checks that you need to check. And this is the warning as well, you can read this. And this is also the product overview, and it shows you what is what does what. And this is the note, you can read these things right away. This is the charging, and this is the discharging as well. This is the user manual of the 10,000 mAh power bank. And now coming back to the actual power bank, it's wrapped in a plastic bag. So I will be just removing it from the plastic bag as well. And sorry guys for the bad lighting right now. So guys, this is our 10,000 mAh power bank, and as you can see, it is having a sleek look, and the surface is very reflective, as you can see. And we have the Mi logo or branding, whatever you want to say, is right here. And on the top you can see the 2 USB ports and 1 micro USB port for charging. And let me see if we have any charging in this power bank. So as you can see, it is only having 25% of the charge left in this power bank. We have to charge this power bank in order to use this. And this is again the technical specifications. So here is the side-by-side comparison of it with the first generation 20,000 mAh power bank. This one is the white one, is 20,000 mAh power bank, and this is the first generation one. It used to come in the plastic body, as you can see, and this one is aluminum casing, which feels much more premium than the previous one. So guys, as you can see, the thickness side-by-side comparison with the first generation one, it is little bit taller than the first generation one, but it is a lot sleeker than the previous generation. And you can see the button placements and the ports placement is also different. You can see this button is on the right side, but everything on the newer generation is on the top, as you can see right here. So apart from it, everything is good. Xiaomi's power banks are one of the best power banks that you can find on the market at the given price, and the kind of protection and the kind of quality that it gives you in their power bank. So this is pretty much it for this unboxing video guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll be catching you in the very next video guys. Till then, take care.